Hello everyone and welcome to another trade review video. My name is Ben and I'm a software developer. I started trading in 2017 and to be able to trade and create software I had to create an algorithm that does the heavy lifting for me. In these trade review videos I will show you how I will use the algorithm with a trading bot. And I will show you how I manage trades that don't follow the algorithm principles. The trades you see here are my personal trades and should not be considered trading advice. The algorithm is integrated in the Altrady trading platform that I created to help everyone save time and make less emotional trades. In this week we will go over 3 trades and we look back at the trades from SNTVT. One of our viewers has requested me to show you how I set up the trades and layers in the SNTVT trade, so please watch the end of the video and see how I manage that. Alright, the first one that we will look at is STC. This was a very quick trade. It only took 3 hours and it was a double buy with a sell, which is great because it actually is 2 trades in one go. So 2 trades in 3 hours with a decent profit of 2%. Next one we will look at is ENJBTC. This was a slightly longer trade. It took 3 days, but it was good because it actually hit the third buy layer, which is double the position of the first 2. So in this case it's 4 trades in 3 days, and it was an interesting one to follow because first you would have expected it to really go back up because it was in this upward trend, but as with these things you often see it's like it'll hit the median drop and then either quickly return or you get this little phase to the side and then a grind down, which is what happened. But if we look at where we could have gone out, the sell layer was here and we were actually in profit here. However, with the Bitcoin spiking up yesterday, it dropped back down and then it hit my third buy layer, which was great because overnight Bitcoin dropped again and that allowed it to recover and get out with a nice profit. The profit was 3.7%. But this was actually the highest net profit of all the trades. I think this was like half the profit of all the trades in the week, just because it's 4 trades in one go. And yeah, the profit percentage is still the same. So basically you get 4 trades with 3.7% profit. And that's why it's so important to do the DCA as well. Like you really need to be able to buy in those layers and get out quickly. And if you don't get out quickly, then you get rewarded by getting a larger position with still the same amount of profit. The third one we will look at is CAP. This one was a nice one because on the way down, we actually managed to buy twice in 1 week, which is great. You know, I really like the day trading algorithm on this one because it allows you to get into these little these little panics and then recoveries that are very quick. Alright, now let's look back at SNTVT. So if we look at the situation from last week, that was about here. So we can see that last week I was at minus 5.8% realized profit. And currently I'm at minus 4.2. So this was a great week to sell off some of your coins to be able to buy back and recover some funds and actually set up the buy layers. So last week we had a lot of sell layers going all the way up, which were hit, and the next week you'll probably see a lot of buys. And maybe after next week we'll be able to go out on the next bounce. One of the viewers asked me how do I determine my sell layers or my buy layers when I do this grid style. Well, for that I used the support and resistance levels in the chart. So what I look for is like places where the price starts to turn around. So if we draw a line here, you can see that the price hits it quite often and then turns around, or it can break through and then go to the next level. So the next level would be somewhere around here. And I also use like the previous sells that I did and were hit. So as you can see, this was also a nice line. And that's basically where I determined my sells in this case. And also when I've sold something, I usually tend to buy back on where I've previously sold, because that's as we've already drawn these lines, those levels will still be there and still provide good support and resistance. So now I'm hoping for a nice return down and to be able to buy back what I've sold and then hopefully go out on the next bounce. Alright, that's it for this week. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, and also if you like the video, please make sure that you subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.